Hello everybody! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. Today I would like to show you how to crochet this super easy headband. It's perfect cozy warm winter headband with double layers and with the twist on the front, and it's the easiest headband you can make. I will use only single crochet stitches, center single crochet stitches, working in spiral rounds, and this is it. The pattern notes are available in the box right below this video tutorial. There are also links and my contacts, and the written pattern is for free on my blog. So guys, let's get started. I will use yarn Dante from Belnica. It's 100% acrylic yarn, but this acrylic is like a premium acrylic, very soft, very pleasant. In 100 grams ball there are 160 meters, and you will need one ball for one headband, size woman medium size. You can very easily customize this headband. You can make it longer or wider, and I will show you how to customize it. It's super easy. Let's make a slip knot and then chain, foundation chain. I will chain 22 chains for my headband, but if you want to make your headband wider, chain more chains. If you want to make it narrower, chain less chains. I will compare it with my favorite headband, which I have with me here. Okay, so it's wide enough, perfect. And if you are satisfied with the width, just join the foundation chain and make a circle. So insert the hook in the first chain like this and pull yarn through both loops on your hook. So make a slip stitch, then chain one, and then work one single crochet in each chain. And I like to work in bumps, which is the loop which is hidden behind the front and back loop of your foundation chain, but it's fully up to you. I like this way. Maybe you prefer to work into the foundation chain, so it's fully up to you. Just make sure you work in each chain. Okay, so my foundation chain has 22 chains, so I will finish with 22 single crochet stitches. Okay, so 22 single crochet stitches in the first round, and now I will show you how to continue. Don't join the row with a slip stitch, just continue working in the first single crochet. Insert the hook in the center of the first single crochet, so not on the top but into it. Pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through to finish single crochet. So I will work center single crochet in each and every single crochet. Okay, I absolutely love this pattern. It's called also waistcoat stitch, and if you are working in spiral rounds, it's perfect. So you will very easily make one single crochet, 1 center stitch single crochet in each and every stitch. I would recommend you to work a bit loosely, then it's easier to insert the hook into the center of stitch. Okay, and this is it my crochet friends. I just finished the second round, you see, and you don't need to mark the first stitch because there is just this pattern. So work 1 center stitch in each and every stitch around. Still work a bit loosely and make sure you have the same number of stitches in each round. So this is it my crochet friends. This is the very simple and very nice pattern for the easiest headband at all. So just continue crocheting till you are satisfied with the length of your headband. And this headband is not very flexible. This pattern is not very stretchy. So the negative ease is about 1 inch or less, or 2 centimeters plus minus. So measure your head minus 1 inch or 2 centimeters, and this is the length for your headband. And this is it. Look at my work. I'm so excited. I'm so happy how it turned out. It's so simple, it's so cozy and really warm. This headband is great for winter or for very chilly spring or fall time. I love it, love it. It's amazing. So now let me measure the width and the length. So the width is 9 centimeters, 3.5 inch, 3.5 inch, and the length is 29 centimeters, 11.3 inch. Okay, and it will be a bit shorter because I will sew the sides, and I will show you how to do it. Fold the right and the left short sides like this and put them together. Okay, so fold them the same way and put them together. Then I will sew the ends, and when you are done, just turn your headband around and you can see a beautiful twist on the top. So this is the only thing which we have to do to finish the headband. So cut the yarn. This is the rest of ball, so I almost used up whole skein. Cut the yarn, leaving a longer tail for sewing. Okay, now prepare your sewing needle and I will show you how to sew the ends together. Okay, so fold the right side like this and the left side, put them together. It doesn't matter if you put the right side on top or on the bottom, it will make the same result. Perfect. Just make sure the sides are in one line and then pull the yarn through the stitches in one line and through the next line of stitches. So through the next row. So always move by one stitch and then go through all layers. I know sometimes it could be difficult, but go through all of them till you reach the last stitch, and then I will go back again through all stitches just to fix this fold tightly and firmly. So this is it, I'm at the end. Now it's perfectly stitched together. And just all you need to turn your headband around. Voila! Amazing! I love it. And the twist on top is finished. It's perfect. It's perfect. I love it. It's my very favorite pattern for the headbands, and I love the twist or X twist on top. Now cut the yarn and fasten off, and we are done, my crochet friends. It's so cute. It's perfect, simple, warm, cozy winter headband. So guys, what do you think? So if you like this video tutorial, please don't hesitate to give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. In case of any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video tutorial, or you can reach me on my Facebook page, Pinterest and Instagram. And the final length is 28 centimeters, which is 11 inches, and it says medium woman headband size. Of course, you can make it longer or shorter, it's fully up to you for your size. And I used up almost one ball, and I used 5mm crochet hook. So thank you very much for watching, my crochet friends. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.